This video will show you how to do a single crochet and then a single crochet increase and then a single crochet decrease. Let's begin with a single crochet. So put your hook into the stitch, yarn over to get 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and bring through both loops. So that's a single crochet. Let's do that one more time. So put your hook into the stitch, yarn over to get 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and bring through both loops. So then now let's do a single crochet increase. A single crochet increase means that you are doing a two single crochets into the same stitch. So let's do 1 single crochet, put yarn over to get 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both loops, and then you are going to do another single crochet into that same stitch that you just completed your previous single crochet. So yarn, put your hook into that stitch, yarn over to get 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through. So you see here you've got 2 single crochets in that one loop. So then now let's do a single crochet decrease. So to do a single crochet decrease, that means combining the next two stitches into 1 single crochet. So let's do that now. So put your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through to get 2 loops on your hook, and then you put your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through and get 3 loops on your hook. So then you yarn over and then you pull through all 3 loops. So that's how you do a single crochet decrease. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more tips and tricks and techniques on crochet, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!